All right, I got 3 tips for you for jumping in. One, before you go, collect yourself. Bring all of yourself in. Don't be looking, down at the bottom at the octopus. Bring yourself into here. You are here. Because when you jump in, tip number 2 is be with yourself as you go down and then feel how the water lifts you up. The go down is quick. And the change over to the buoyancy picking you up is also quick. 3, your safety is always within you. It's not about getting to the wall or getting somewhere else quickly. It's about being calm in yourself. Here we go. Back up to the top. Rest easy. Enjoy.